Okay, today we're going to be replacing the air filter in a 2012 Honda CR-V. We bought this Fram Extra Guard filter. It's CA11258, and this is what it looks like brand new. You can see how nice and clean it is. But anyway, we bought that at Walmart. The cost was around $19, and you can get it at AutoZone also. They have them in any auto parts store. It's really simple. There are 3 clips that you need to remove. There's one right here. You just pull it back. There's one over here. Same thing. You just go ahead and pull it back right here. And then there's one in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but you just flip it back. You then just go ahead and raise the cover and then slide the filter out. Now you can see this filter has not been replaced for years. It's very dirty. Probably get a lot better gas mileage when we replace it. So we'll just set that there. And then you just go ahead and slide the new one in. And then one thing you'll notice is that there's a little groove on this side. You've got to slide that into this area here. So you can see now we slid that in. Once you get it on tight, you just go ahead and push the clips back on. This one I'm going to have to go up underneath. And then there's one more in the back. That one's kind of hard to get to. There we go. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple job. It took us about 2 minutes. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and thanks for Brittany for filming today. Make sure you subscribe and have a great day.